Dante Domain Manager is a server-based software that just allows you to monitor, to manage, and to secure your Dante ecosystem. It changes the experience. In fact, it enhances the experience of Dante Controller by limiting your view to the devices that you want to see, to the groups of devices that you want to see, and keeping control away from the people that you don't want to have access to those devices.
And if you've ever opened Dante Controller with 1,000 devices on there, opening it up, there's multiple channels, just getting a subscription going, that in itself is a huge challenge. What DDM lets you do is whatever be your logical grouping of devices, you can group it up into a domain, what we call a Dante domain, and essentially let that Dante domain be its own entity, and then on top of that, you give user access.
And furthermore, with these users, you can assign them different roles or levels of privilege. So this person can just be a guest in the theater while having full access to changing Dante subscriptions and clocking in the studio. Very powerful, and more importantly, it allows you to scale your Dante network to well beyond 250 devices all the way up to 1,050 devices.
Dante Domain Manager is not a replacement for Dante Controller, it actually enhances the experience in Dante Controller. So not only is DDM doing all of this security and this network style management of the system and allowing you to monitor and manage those devices, but it's actually improving the experience of somebody that's utilizing Dante Controller, because they're able to focus in on just the devices that they want to be able to manipulate, subscriptions that they might want to change if you've given me the authority to do so. And it's allowed you to improve your workflow, to focus on what you're doing, and to avoid making mistakes in other groups of devices that you don't accidentally want to be making adjustments to. It's also a better experience for the actual Dante Controller user.